Pao ang
Hello
inasal.
guys,
Pao.
I just bought Legos. Look.
Si Ben, sabi niya, buti nilinaw mo. Si Ten,
So,
Ben 10,
this is how I
Ebe.
already make the Lego.
Mali
I
si Ben
already
kasi
made
yun.
this because so if you put this right
Sabi
here,
na malito dito.
the other one
Ako
is
rin,
like
nalito ako.
something.
Kung sino sa dalawang Ben ang pinakasalan. Kung si Benton ba o si Ben David ka ba?
And this will go right here. There we go. Ding.
Basta hindi yung si Bentong.
Get the ground piece and put it here.
A calm voice suddenly came from the top of the statue. All eyes snapped upward. A slender figure
Right
slowly
here.
appeared, standing there as if he had
The
always
same
been there.
thing goes here.
He gently extended a palm and made a casual grasp in the air. The
Good.
Soul Clan docent, who had just rendered all of Canaan College homeless, didn't even have
I'll
time to
put
scream
this one
before he
right here
exploded
because
into a cloud of
that's
blood.
not too long.
The square was
Shed's
swept
right
up.
there.
A docent erased that easily. Before anyone
I
could
found
reply,
my old
Honey
ninja
recoiled as if he had met his natural enemy, retreating
Use it
in
in
panic.
school.
A terrified scream tore across the sky. Xiao
And
Yan,
then
Fu Qian, and the others jolted back to themselves. The despair in their
I
hearts
found it.
was instantly washed
Okay,
away by a surge of
I got to
overwhelming
put all of this right here. Right here.
retreat. Unused space.
And then
He didn't hesitate for even an instant.
got to get this piece.
The fact that
Add it
even Han
right
Yeshe
there.
had perished
And
at
then
Xiao
get
Yan's hand
this
was
other
enough to make
piece.
fear
Hindi
root
rin naman
Look
si
at right
Ben.
there.
Si Ben
We're gonna
10.
get
all over again.
Natawag
This
ako.
piece.
Oo nga, no?
Their
There.
eyes burning with fanatic awe as they stared at that dark
There we
figure's
go.
back. This
Si Bentong po naman daw.
Too
Si Ben
good.
11.
means that everything is here, and all heroes bow. Since you've come,
And there.
why leave them
Ben
alone?
11? Hindi
Xiao
si
Yan
Ben
looked
10.
at the soul
Sabi
hall
niya.
expert staring through the sky and smiled faintly.
Ito.
I've
Grabe
already
talaga
I'm gonna
yung
use
unang
this
Pinoy, no?
piece to
Iyak,
put
tawa
it
na
here.
lang talaga. Ha, ha, ha. Sabi.
And
His
there we
hands
go.
Si
clenched
Nepo.
tight.
Almost done.
A terrifying,
Si Ben 10
invisible
po.
ripple burst
We just
out.
almost
Si
done too.
Bentong.
Those black shadows
We're gonna get
instantly
this
Gusto ko
tire piece.
itong tanong na to.
whether Dozone or Dozun, all
Si
were
Bentong.
obliterated in
Ha,
that
ha,
system.
ha, wali.
Souls shattered
Pao.
along with bodies.
How about?
Su Qian and the Qian and Bai elders exchanged
Angela.
That's my
Mahal
name.
ako
their
ka.
eyes filled with
Nepo.
shock. To slaughter
Angela
Dozun,
Aru. Si Ben
this
de.
power was horrifying beyond
Ben
words.
de